Hello kids! Today we draw some 2D shapes and learn some colors. So first we learn some colors. So look at these colors. Which color kids? It's a natural oak color. Which color kids? It's a potato brown color. Which color kids? It's a carmine color. It's Indian blue color. It's warm grey color. And it's orange color. And which color kids? It's dark black color. Now we draw the shapes. So first we draw circle shape. It's a circle. Circle. Rhombus. Rhombus. Semicircle. Semicircle. Pentagon. Pentagon. Trapezoid. Trapezoid. Cross. Cross. Potato brown color. Potato brown color. Orange color. Orange color. Carmine color. Carmine color. Natural oak color. Natural oak color. Warm grey color. Warm grey color. Indian blue color. Indian blue color. Circle, rhombus, semicircle, pentagon, trapezoid, cross. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.